Question number 181. A company implements Microsoft 365. The company needs a cloud-based service that can manage all devices and applications. You need to recommend a service that meets the following requirements: ability to manage Windows and Mac operating systems, ability to manage Android and iOS, iPad OS, ability to integrate with Microsoft Azure Active Directory, Azure AD, provide insights into compliance status of devices. Which service should you recommend? Option A, Desktop Analytics. Option B, Configuration Manager. Option C, Microsoft Intune. Option D, Windows 365. The correct answer is option C, Microsoft Intune. Question number 182. A company implements Microsoft 365. The company needs a solution that can intelligently and securely manage the pre-configuration and setup of new devices. You need to recommend a service that meets the following requirements: support Windows 10 and 11, simplify the lifecycle management of the devices, integrate the devices with existing device and application management solution. Which solution should you recommend? Option A, Windows 365. Option B, Desktop Analytics. Option C, Configuration Manager. Option D, Windows Autopilot. The correct answer is option D, Windows Autopilot. Question number 183. A company uses Microsoft Intune. The company must track device compliance, device health, and device trend through predefined reports. You need to recommend an admin center for accessing these reports. Which admin center should you recommend? Option A, Microsoft Azure Active Directory. Option B, Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Option C, Microsoft SharePoint. Option D, Microsoft Teams. The correct answer is option B, Microsoft Endpoint Manager. Question number 184. A company uses Microsoft Teams. The company uses a team named HR Project. You need to create a channel in the team. The channel must meet the following requirements: ability to add a few existing members of the team to the channel, ability to add members from the other department who are not the member of the team, disable the capability to add guests to the channel. Which channel type should you recommend? Option A, private. Option B, standard. Option C, shared. Option D, Yammer. The correct answer is option C, shared. Question number 185. A company plans to use Microsoft 365. The company expresses the need to use Microsoft Software Assurance. You need to recommend the pricing model that includes the Microsoft Software Assurance benefit. Which pricing model should you recommend? Option A, Cloud Solution Provider. Option B, Microsoft Online Service Program. Option C, Microsoft Volume Licensing. Option D, Web Direct. The correct answer is option C, Microsoft Volume Licensing. Question number 186. Your company has a Microsoft Office 365 subscription. As an administrator for this subscription, You have been tasked with recommending a solution that prohibits user from copying corporate information from managed application installed on the unmanaged devices. Which of the following should you recommend? Option A, Windows Virtual Desktop. Option B, Microsoft Intune. Option C, Windows Autopilot. Option D, Azure AD Application Proxy. The correct answer is option B, Microsoft Intune. Question number 187. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is Microsoft Endpoint Manager help manage and monitor Android OS-based mobile devices. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is Microsoft Endpoint Manager help manage and monitor Windows 10 personal desktop computers. The correct answer is yes. The third statement is Microsoft Endpoint Manager is used to manage company-owned devices only. The correct answer is no. Question number 188. A company uses the Microsoft Intune connector for Active Directory in Microsoft Endpoint Manager. For each of the following statement, select yes if the statement is true, otherwise select no. The first statement is the connector adds entries to on-premises Active Directory domain for computers that enroll by using Windows Autopilot. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is the connector allows device access to Microsoft Exchange servers if devices are compliant with preset Intune policies. The correct answer is no. The third statement is the connector processes certificate requests from devices that use certificates for authentication. The correct answer is yes. Question number 189. A company plans to deploy Microsoft Intune. Which scenarios can you implement by using Intune? The first statement is Intune app protection policies can protect access to Exchange server on-premises mailboxes. The correct answer is yes. The second statement is Intune app protection policies support apps that connect to on-premises Microsoft SharePoint server. The correct answer is no. The third statement is Intune app protection policies require a mobile device management MDM solution. The correct answer is no. Question number 190. A company is considering using Microsoft Cloud Services. You need to determine which mobility features Microsoft Intune support. Which three features does Microsoft Intune support? Option A, it provides mobile application management MAM capabilities. Option B, it upgrades operating system on mobile phone devices. Option C, it provides mobile device management MDM capabilities. Option D, it deploys operating system to mobile phone devices. Option E, it deploys applications to mobile phone devices. The correct answers are Option A, it provides mobile application management MAM capabilities. Option C, it provides mobile device management MDM capabilities. Option E, it deploys applications to mobile phone devices.